Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the class template in C++. So generic programming in C++. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++ editor, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open. Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to addition of two 1D array using class template. So here we can addition, or we can say that summation. So two one dimensional array we can using the class, and we can say that addition of two different, yes, here we can using the different data type, 2D array, 1D array to 1D array. So let us check how it's. So in my previous video lecture we have already print 1D array integer and float data type using class template. So here we can addition operation of two 1D array in different data types. So first we can take integer, and next we have to take as a float data type. And operator overloading we have to also consider in this example. So now we can start. So first our header file include, that is iostream.h, and then console input output conio.h, and then our that template. So template is a keyword, and then angular bracket, class is keyword, and type of t, that is template type of t, and then class, so test or any name, and then opening closing brace and semicolon. So first we can define the, that is pointer. So that is, and we can take as a constant size. So in the above or in between global, so that is a constant, yes, constant fix. So here we can take as integer, and that is size and 3, and then integer I variable, so that is a global also we have to declare. And here there are no any other variable required. So public section member we have to define, and that is a default constructor. So we can take the dynamic memory allocation, and that is a type of t. So whenever required type of t we can use, and that passes the size, and taking the for loop, and I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So x of I, and that assigned to 0. So that perfectly. And now we can take one parameterized constructor. So that is a p pointer, and now can assign. So here that integer, so can take as type of t. So integer, float, any data type pass user, that is. So here we can directly one parameterized constructor, and now that is same, I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So here we can assign x of I equal to p, p of I. So that is initialization. And now we can take as operator overloading. So that is a type of t, yes, that return data type, and operator is a keyword and plus sign. So that is a, that is operator, you have to know rules is a one member argument we have to pass. So that is, we can say the test, yes, and that is ampersand reference, and temp you can give any name, tm temp. And now we can take as type of t and sum, that is we have to initialize. So here first 0 or any value we have to assign, so that garbage value is gone. And then that is we have to take as uh, for loop. So that is a I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So what to do? So here sum plus equal to, so this pointer that is a refer to x of I, and then addition operation. So we can take as temp dot x of I. So that is a caller, means that is a calling x of I, that the object is refer, and that is a pass one parameter argument temp, that is considered x of I. And now we can return, so that is sum we have to return. So now let us check, yes, that our, and we can print in main. So directly we can start as main function. So first we can use as integer data type, and that is we have to declare as a and 3 size, and assign to value like 1 and 2 and 3, and then again b variable, so that is 3, and assign like 11, 12 and 13, and you give the value name. You can also scan from user one DRM value of that element. And now what to do? So here first we can create object t1 and assign to that a variable. Then again t2, and that is one parameterized constructor call, and a value pass and b value pass. So that is a, we have to that is a addition operation we have to implement. So that time we can, yes, here that ordinary, that is a, but here that is a template type of object, so we can specify the data type. So first we can just declare and then assign to, that is a now. So that is default constructor we can also use, and now t1 then assign to a, that is proper now. Yes, directly we can first fix the data type. So angular bracket and data type, that is a syntax. So class name, angular, data type name, and then object name. So t1 and t2 is a integer data type, and ab we have to assign. So that is one parameterized constructor is called, and now we can sum that addition of that. So here we can say that summation is, and that we have to uh, call for operator. So how that is calling? So yes, you have to know operator. So that is a directly we have to, because that return data type. So t1 plus t2. So that is a operator overloading, and plus sign is overloaded, and left hand is a calling, and right hand pass the argument. So that is a, I think, perfect. And now that return data type, that is also uh, sum. So that is a, we have to take as a type of t. So I can save that file. So here we can say that class template, but tm is all not maximum 8 characters. So here 8 is there, but class template we can apply the sum. So yes, I give the C temp class template and summation operation means addition. So that's CPPs, but here that is more variable. So I remove one, that is C temp underscore sum. So I compile. Yes, there is 3 warning. Yes, here why that coming the warning? No any error. Warning is a, like in class that is inline by default is a member is inline. So here you have to inline function rules is violation. You cannot apply the any complication or taking any loop. So that is a warning. But that is a hurdles. Why we have to not outside declare the member? So when we can define the class type of template, so all member inside the class, that definition. Outside we have to take that taking the error. So here that warning is appear, but there is no any error. So now I can compile and let us check. Yes, so that is a summation. Yes, 42. So let us check that is perfectly or not. So here I press the window key and come out the editor and close, because that pointer is sometimes not perfectly work. So here I can open the file again. Yes, and look, that is now I can open, and that is our C temp. Yes, sum. Yes, that is our file. So yes, that same class we have to use different data type. So now what to do? So here we can, yes, first our sum 42 is printed. So here you can look, that is a 11, 12, 13 and 15. So all our sum is here we can like 12 plus 2 plus 12, so 14, and plus 16. So that is a, yes, 30, 30, 40, yes, 42. Yes, perfectly. That is our summation. Now what to do? So I can copy this same all part and paste for float data type. So same class we have to not change, but just we have to change as our data type of, here we can take as float. So 1.1 and 2.1 and 3.1, and here we can give some small value. So 5.1, yes, here then 6.1, and then 7.1, or you can take as a 4. Yes, here 3 after 4, 5 and then 6. So there is a float data type we have to take, and here that we have to pass as float. So that is a, you can give the new name. So T3 and 4, that object name, and that T and 4 we can, yes, here we can use like P is used, so C and D. Yes, so we can continue our series. So C and D. Yes, first C and then D, no problem. And then we can use same T3 and T4. So that is a float sum. So here we can provide as a and L. Yes, so that is taking new line. And here we can say that sum, or here we specify the integer array summation is, and here we can specify the float array. So float array summation is, yes. So let us check any warning is appear 6. Yes, that is double, because there are 2 times we have to call. So 3 warning for the integer and 3 warning for float. So same class used for 2 different data types. So we cannot change in any data type in class, that is a converter, that whole class we can object T1 and T2, that is integer, and T3 and T4 then float, all that class type of T, that is automatically convert the appropriate data type. So that is a benefit. So that is a generic programming. So here meaningful way we have to use our coding means that is a reusability and redundancy we have to remove. So same, so here one program, there are 2 programs. So one is integer data type, so you can take all integer, that class is whenever you can require T, that convert in the integer, and second program for float. So 2 program combined in the one program. That is a benefit for class template or generic programming. So today is more used in generic programming our IT field. So yes, there is compile, and now I can run. So look, that is float array. Yes, that is a clear. Yes, by default that is a clear. So yes, here sometime that uh, class template is creating error, but that is we have to solve. Yes, no problem. So first we have to clear, so then both are, so I open again that file, C temp, yes, and sum. So where is a problem? So here you can look, yes, here is a clear. So that is a previously our output integer sum is clear. So now that perfectly, and here what to do. So here you can take as a, that is fixed size 3, but you can take as 5 or any other, means depend upon your requirement. So now I think that all are well. So that is a, I compile, there is no any error. Yes. So only warning is there. So that is a, no any error is there, because that program is compiled, there is no any error, and that is running also perfectly. So now I can summarize, because that is a, sometime we cannot take that is pointer also here we have to use, that is a creating problems sometime, because that is a template programming, generic template, class template. So now I compile and run again. So look, now the both answer is perfectly. So here, yes, I think now it is again that creating some disturbance, but that is a happening in the template programming. Yes, that is a not perfect display sometimes that result, because inline function creating problem. That is a, in class template sometimes that type of error is coming, but no worry, that we have to take, that is you can change also some editors, some editor not supported, that also creating problems. So here there is no any error is there, but so our program is no any logic is change is required, our program logic is perfectly, yes. So now I think, yes, no any change is required, so all are well. So here CD, yes, all we have to change perfectly, no any change is required. So one same class we can use as a integer data type to here, and same class used for the float data type to here. And you can also scan the array value from the user. So now I can close, and yes, no any change is required. So let us check, yes, no any problem. So now I can close Alt F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Jalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.